If you want to connect Calendly with Slack using Zapier, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can automatically send Slack notifications whenever a Calendly event happens. This is a great setup if you want to stay on top of bookings, reminders, team updates, or client notifications without doing everything manually. It saves time, keeps your workflow organized, and helps your team respond faster. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the Create button and click it. From the options that appear, select Zaps. This is where you build your automation workflow. Now, you'll choose Calendly as your trigger app. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, so in this case, it will be something happening inside Calendly. After selecting Calendly, Zapier will ask you to sign in to your Calendly account and authorize access. Go ahead and connect your account so Zapier can read the event data it needs. Next, select the trigger event you want Zapier to watch for. This could be something like a new invitee being scheduled or another Calendly action, depending on what you want to automate. Once you choose the trigger, click Continue and then test the trigger. Testing is important because it confirms that Zapier can successfully pull in sample Calendly data before you move on. Now, it's time to set up the action. Choose Slack as the action app. Slack is where your notification will be sent, so this is the second half of the automation. Just like before, sign into your Slack account and authorize Zapier to connect. After that, select the action event you want to use. A common choice here is Send Channel Message because it lets you post the message directly into a Slack channel. Then choose the Slack channel where you want the notification to appear. This could be a team channel, a sales channel, an operations channel, or any workspace channel that needs to stay updated. Next, customize the message that Slack will send. You can include details from Calendly so your notification is useful and easy to read. For example, you might want to include the person's name, the meeting time, the event type, or any other booking information pulled from the trigger. If Zapier gives you optional fields, such as a reaction or other message settings, configure those as needed. These extra settings are optional, but they can help make the workflow more personalized. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Then test the action so you can verify that the Slack message is posted correctly. If the test works, your automation is ready. The final step is to click Publish to turn on the Zap. Once it's live, every new Calendly event that matches your trigger will automatically send a Slack notification. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly with Slack through Zapier. This is one of the easiest ways to automate scheduling notifications and keep your team informed in real time. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.